In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom store URL on Sellfy. This process is straightforward and will only take a few minutes of your time. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to log into your Sellfy account. This is where the magic begins. Make sure you enter your login credentials accurately to access your dashboard. If you're new or coming back after a while and can't remember your information, there's always the handy Forgot Password link to help retrieve your access details. Once you're successfully logged in, what we need to do next is head over to the store settings. Depending on your current interface, this might just appear as Settings. The location might vary slightly if Sellfy has updated their layout, but rest assured it's generally within easy reach on the navigation pane. As you browse around, try not to get distracted by other features just yet. We have one clear task to accomplish here today. Within the settings, look for the option that deals with your store URL, or sometimes General Settings. It's crucial to get into this specific section because this is exactly where we'll tailor your store's online address, the digital equivalent of building a custom sign outside your storefront. When you find this section, you should see a field displaying your current store URL. Typically, this URL ends with sellfy.store. This is the default URL that Sellfy provides when you first set up an account. It's a good starting point, but to establish a more personalized brand presence, you might want to change it. Now, here's the exciting step. In the field provided, enter your new desired name. It might take a bit of creativity and some brainstorming to pick the perfect name. But don't rush it. Pick something unique, memorable, and reflective of your brand. This name is what your customers will associate with your store, so choose wisely. Once you've settled on a name and entered it into the field, the final step is to save your changes. Look for a Save button. It's often at the bottom of the page, and click it. This solidifies the change. Make sure you see a confirmation message of some sort showing that the update has been successful. If any errors come up, make sure the name you chose follows any stipulated guidelines and isn't already in use. And there you have it. You've successfully created a custom store URL on Sellfy. This tailored web address will now be how your customers find you, setting you apart from other sellers on the platform. Feel free to brag about it on your social media handles or include it in your marketing materials. Hopefully, this guide was clear and helpful, and I can't wait to see what unique store names you all come up with. Until next time, happy selling!